Today, we're gonna be talking about where to find teaching jobs. This is the #1 question that I have been getting lately, and I'm so excited to share all the tea, because we don't gatekeep over here, okay? I mean, even though I do wanna gatekeep Qatar a little bit, I'm not gonna do it like that. Okay, so when I share this list, these are going to be places that either I personally or have friends who I personally know have actually landed jobs or at least gotten interviews. Okay, so I'm not just sending you websites just to be sending you websites. These are tried and true from either me or close friends who I have met teaching and working abroad. We have used these sites to get a job or to land an interview. There are so many different websites that you can use to secure a teaching job. I feel like when I was first doing this search in 2014, I just took the first one that popped up, but I feel like now, because teaching abroad is becoming a little bit more popular, a lot more popular actually, I feel like there are a lot more websites to choose from. So I'll give you 2 paid and then 3 of the free ones. So the first one is called Search Associates. Okay, their membership is $225 USD for 3 years. So that includes you signing up for them, linking up with their recruiter, and it also allows you to attend one of their job fairs. And side note about job fairs, search up job fairs in your area. I know there are certain companies and schools that will go to colleges and scout for teachers who may want to come teach abroad. Look into that, because there could be something in your city and you might not even know about it. I know a popular place where they do a lot of these international recruiting fairs is London. I have seen so many places that are always doing recruiting fairs or hiring fairs in London. I've seen them in DC, in the States, so like they're everywhere. So just do a quick search if there's any international fairs around you, and that could also be a way for you to find jobs. Okay, the second one is ISS, and that is International School Services. Theirs is $75 a year. Number 3, Advectus is the company that I first used when I first got my teaching job in Kuwait. Advectus. Number 4, Teachaway. I have used Teachaway and gotten a lot of interviews from Teachaway. A lot. So I would say this is probably the most popular one for me that I've used, and also for friends. Teachaway, she's kind of that girl when it comes to finding international teaching jobs. The last one is TES. This is also a free site. I know a couple people, like I said, who have also used this site to find jobs as well. So those are my 5 places for you. Check out those 5 sites to see if you can find a teaching job abroad that fits what you are looking for. Honorable mention is going to be Teacher Horizons. Like I said, I've never secured anything personally, but I did have a friend who also said she used it and they did eventually hit her with an interview, but she had already accepted a job. So to recap, Search Associates, $225 for 3 years, International School Services, $75 a year, Advectus free, Teachaway free, TES free. Sorry, I got my notes down here because I want to make sure that I include everything. Honorable mention, Teacher Horizons, and that is also free. Let me know if you use any of these sites, if they work for you, if they don't work for you. If anybody else has any more suggestions, any other teachers who are abroad, please put them in the comments. Let's help people out. Like I always say, I feel like teaching abroad is honestly one of the best things that's ever happened to me, and I would not change it for the world. So if I can spread that joy to somebody or give someone information to also have that same experience, 100% I'm gonna do it every single time. Again, my DMs and my comments are open. If you have any more questions or comments, I hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned for part 3.